Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be sharing with you briefly what to know about stress and how to manage it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. To start with, what is stress? Stress is inability to cope with mental or emotional pressure. It is not an illness, but may result to one when not properly taken care of. Please bear in mind, everyone experiences stress. However, we all cope with it differently. What are the signs of stress? Loss of sleep. For example, you usually go to bed maybe 8 o'clock, 10 p.m. But at some point, you began to find it difficult to sleep as usual. You wake up at interval, your sleep is completely interrupted for no reason. Stress may be responsible. Secondly, loss of concentration. For example, you have someone with you, talking with you, you are physically present, but your mind is totally far away. Headache. And lastly, loss of appetite. For example, you find it difficult to eat. Your best meal can even begin to irritate you. You can liken that to one of the signs of stress. There are some factors that may be responsible for stress. Negative and positive life changes may be triggering factors, such as losing a job, disappointment. This used to be my WhatsApp group. A quick one, I used to be in that category of being extra stressed for no good reasons. For example, I've put in applications, made requests, hoping to get good responses, good news from the other end, but in return, it's a no. My default setting then was to always worry over things that I couldn't change, things that I couldn't handle. Before you know it, I begin to feel headache, continuous headache. When I say headache, bang, 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 bang. But as time went by, I realized worrying over things that can't be changed is really a waste of time and a danger to health. At this point, what I do, it may sound funny. What I do is, when I receive a no, I just go to sleep. When I wake up, I forget about it. It may not be easy, but this may be useful to someone out there. Study financial instability as being broke. Money no dey, shishi no dey. Work related stress. And a perfect example of this is being a student. As a student, you've got lots of assignments to turn in, presentations, you've got to read for exams, for tests, for quizzes. It's not easy. Traveling can also be a factor for stress. Getting a promotion at work. Promotion with more responsibilities. What are the side effects of stress? I'll be naming just 3. One is weight loss. Weight loss as a result of inability to eat as expected. Secondly, isolating oneself from others. And lastly, exhibiting sudden habits such as smoking, drinking, or even taking drugs. How is stress managed? Number one, ability to identify stress as a problem and also its stressors. When I say stressors, the things responsible for it, otherwise known as causes. Secondly, exercise frequently. It doesn't have to be vigorous exercises. In other words, you just need to keep fit. Mindful meditation. Mindful meditation in layman's language is ability to be conscious of one's environment at the present. When you are in a place, your mind is there, you are conscious of what is happening. You are not only there physically, but you are there wholeheartedly. Eat well. Try as much as possible to sleep well. And lastly, get stress support. Please take note, research shows that 1 in 5 visits to doctors is as a result of mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and of course, stress. Your mental health is very important. It may be useful to attend stress management group in tackling stress, identifying causes, and effectively developing a coping mechanism. Medical practitioner or a counselor may be of help with more information regarding a stress support group. And of course, a stressing situation to an individual may be a motivating situation to another. That's it, guys. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time.